Hi guys.
Hi Kasif.
He.
Long time no see, how is it going?
Albab thanks you.
Well, thanks. And you?
So, thanks. How was your summer vacation, Zion?
It was so interesting.
Wow, what did you do?
I went back to the countryside to visit my grandparents and stayed there for 2 weeks.
Where is your grandparents' house?
My grandparents' home is in a small village in Vermont, a state in New England.
Well, دخلص what's there and what you did there?
Of course, everyone there is very friendly and they all know each other. It is a pretty quiet and peaceful place because there aren't many vehicles or factories there. The air is clean and fresh and the landscapes are breathtaking. What I liked most about that village was that you could enjoy several sports activities there. I also made some friends there. I played some interesting sports with them. I tried rock climbing there. It's so cool.
Really? أي للهيئة it's too dangerous.
No, my friend. The feeling of being conquered was great.
What cooking did you do there?
On windy days, we went flying a kite. We also went swimming in the afternoon. Floating on the inflatable mattress was so relaxing. We hiked together to the top of the mountain camel's hump. It has this distinctive peak like the hump of a camel.
That's so amazing.
I visited Ben and Jerry's ice cream factory. That entire place was so cute and creative, and as soon as you walk in, you are enveloped in that oh so amazing ice cream and cookie smell.
Wow, so great, I love it.
I really enjoyed my vacation.
Yes, your trip was awesome. Well, what about you, Sammy?
I took to the beach with my family for the وصيفة vacation. I enjoyed that trip very much. It was extremely wonderful. The climate was albab tier. During the day it was ووكالة and windy. At night it was cold. I took surfing when there were big ثلجية in the me. I also canvas when surfing. It is a albab water sport too.
Oh, it sounds good. And you, Kasif?
I took taekwondo lessons and I spent the time to join the guitar club. I also learned to swim.
Taekwondo, what color belt did you have?
White. I want to get my blue belt soon.
Great, what about your swimming lessons and guitar club? Was there anything?
Yes, there was. I had 2 swimming lessons a week and I went to the guitar club once a week. On the last vacation, my guitar club organized a camping trip and I joined. We had so many wonderful adventures. We participated in the archery competition. We learned how to shoot arrows at the archery targets. Tarzan swings were really exciting. We split into 2 teams and played tug of war.
Who pitch a مثبت of activities during that trip?
Yes, because there were quite a lot of people who have joined.